7 a.m. Eastern on the Weather Channel. And now, your local on the 8s.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 23 degrees with snow. Our local Doppler radar. Today, snow and gusty winds. Snow will become heavy this afternoon. High 30. Winds north-northeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. For tonight, snow. Snow will be heavy at times this evening. Low 26. Winds north-northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Snow accumulating 8 to 12 inches. On Sunday, snow flurries and snow showers early with a chance of lingering snow showers later. High 33. Chance of snow 40%. Our 7-day outlook. Traffic conditions around our area.